orunakurwanya mwazo timu ya Shema egutwire timu ya Buwezu obu bakujja no miso kana bazana empire ningasa kikopo kibarene barwanira echa Western District Ankore. Abashemane bajana bakona bakosamana minji okureka ngo bajana no misho kana bazana kandi nibaza kupromotingana n'empira yabo.
First of all, congratulations to the players for the work well done. We won the game 2-0. It has been a very good game. We thank our fans for coming to support the team. Those who have been behind us from the first whistle up to the last whistle. But it's not yet over till the second leg. So we're going to go back to drawing board. We rectify our problems. We see where were the mistakes so that we can go into the second leg when we're in much better, good shape so that we can go into the semi-finals.
In every it was a mistake, miscommunication between the goalkeeper and the defender. So whoever makes the less mistakes wins the game. So that's how it was. Besides that, Taro Chaman is so we are looking forward to the second round, second leg of the tie. So I think we shall do better. We have a lot of areas to improve. We shall do better.
Konkanye no kushimira kuhago kugira ngo twatandika n'amani minshi abo kuba first leg ninga umuntu wo kubanza twamutera golo 2-0 kandi dutekateka kugira ngo taza kuzanzika bitujija kuba twina mani nishaba abahagizi bombira abanyashima mwena ubase kurugayona n'amani supporting team ikatandika kubi n'amazima konka ko kumanya mpira this is a tournament no basa kutandika kubi kandi rugero otwayine chikopo mwene n'ubwirobo buri muntu akumanya ngo nahagira shima kandi umunyashima rugeyo aleta mani aleta bahagizi arebo mpira akore buri kino cyo
ampirogu ayiziro abanyabutegeki no bagire bagambaho akikwatagenana ebyemizano kandi bagira ngunu bakwana batekamo amano kusupportinga timu yabo eyashema okureka ngo yasokwaneka kandi amuheru
jangu namno mune kujihagera twenda etakakomaha kandi tureba umpira especially football nekintu kirungi akubankija kubatwara hare no mahanga gandi ushange baka arengo orwensiyona mwe nimbe encouraging kugumizamu bakagumizamu bakusenta talanta yabo.
Kera Media News Center utake bakono jiri misono tufollowinga mu kutugwiti gwa YouTube, Facebook kandi agakusakirani ni yera.